In this video, we will learn how to set up Toast Card Reader. Setting up the Toast Card Reader is a simple process if you follow these steps. First, unbox the Toast Card Reader and ensure it is fully charged. If it is not charged, plug it in. Then, turn on the card reader by pressing and holding the power button until the light appears. Now, go to the Apple App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android and download the toastPOS app. Then, open the app and sign in to your Toast account. If you do not have an account, you'll need to sign up using your email and a password. After logging in, follow the prompts in the app to get set up your business information, including your restaurant details, payment settings, tax information, and inventory. If you have not already configured these, the app will guide you through the process. Next, navigate to the hardware section in the Toast app or POS settings. Select a card reader or add device. The app will search for available Toast card readers nearby. Follow the instructions to pair the card reader with the app. If the reader uses Bluetooth, ensure that your Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Now, once the card reader is connected, do a transaction test to make sure everything is working correctly. In the Toast app, enter a small payment amount when prompted. Swipe or tap or insert the test card into the reader. If the payment goes through successfully, your Toast card reader is properly set up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.